Hello, and welcome to your new bathroom. Did you just finish going and need to wash your hands now? Well, here you go, because that carpet was surely clean on the toilet seat. No, not enough? Okay, how about a nice, relaxing shower in this beautiful yellow and brown tub? So, when do you guys move in, huh? The Grime House. Welcome, I'm Alan with Alan's Inventions. What you guys just saw was one of the bathrooms of this house that me and my wife are remodeling. In the previous episodes, we actually went ahead and cleaned all the junk out, sort of cleaned it a little bit, and we've been slowly but surely making some progress on it. So in this video episode, I'm actually going to be showing you guys what we've done to the bathroom so far. I'm in California now, and from my desk, I forgot to shoot some of the footage while I was in Idaho, which is another one of the challenges that we're facing while doing this. So sit back, relax, and let's get started with this remodel. Not bad. Took a little bit longer than we anticipated, but we got most of it out. So next up was the master bathroom. We cleaned out all the junk and then did the same thing, basically stripped it down to the walls and the studs where the tub used to be. So now that we had both bathrooms stripped down, it was time to actually clean up some of these walls. As you can see, there was years and years of who knows what just stuck to them, and I just didn't want to paint over them. So as you can see, we sprayed it down with some chemicals, bleach, and wall cleaners, and then scrubbed it down with a brush. Alright, so after we washed everything down, it was time to start painting, and I was making some good progress here. Unfortunately, the sprayer broke on us, so we just had to go buy another one real quick and finish this job, since this was our last night working on the house for this trip. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get an after shot when it was all primed, so that kind of sucks. Fast forward to our return, and it was time to go shopping. So we decided we were going to do tubs and tile, so we went and got all the material we needed. So tubs, tile, the subfloor piece to replace it, and then all the miscellaneous things that were needed. Meanwhile, back at the house, it was time to start changing all these valves out, or angle stops actually. So here's all the brand new ones, and we changed all the ones throughout the whole house. Kitchen, both bathrooms, and I believe the laundry room as well. In parallel, we were preparing the tubs for installation. So here is the new drains and overflow valves being put in, or fitted before being put in. And then after that, you can see here, there, the tub is in and level. Next up, we connected it from underneath the crawl space. And finally, all the valves were changed out, and then we were ready for a water test. I just want to give a quick shout out to Mastermind Plumbing from Southern California for coming out on this trip with us to get this done. Okay, so I took a quick bathroom break, get it, to tear down this half wall that used to be in the kitchen. Make sure to check out the other videos that are up now about everything else we're doing. So what you're seeing here is us actually leveling the studs with these cardboard strips to mount the cement board up to, and then after that we're gonna mud it to hold it all together, and we made sure to waterproof the bottom. And it was basically the same process for the other bathroom, so I won't show you guys that twice, but here it is. Here's the master as well. Okay, so after all the cement was dry on the cement board, it was time to begin red guarding all this. Red guard is just a waterproof barrier, and we did 2 coats of this. So here's one time lapse of that, and I won't waste your guys' time by showing you me doing this twice all over again. Wait, what? There's tile now? That's right. So we ended up getting some help to put all the tile on, so we basically did all the prep work ourselves, but we were running out of time, and we wanted to really make sure this came out looking nice at the end, so we just hired a couple guys to do this portion for us. And since I didn't want to be in their way, I basically didn't get too many good shots of the tile going up and all that stuff. But these guys were quick. They knocked it out in one day, both bathrooms. As you can see from the previous footage, the master bathroom has the shower caddy on the back wall, and then the guest bathroom has it on the side wall. So little subtle differences, but for the most part, both bathrooms came out the same way. You guys saw what that looks like. Here is some final footage of all the tile and the tub finally in. If you guys want to see me finish these bathrooms, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and that's it.